ukiangalia statistics, watoto wadogo kama nyinyi ndio HIV AIDS ina spread kwa sana kabisa. So we are not keeping quiet. Kama watu watanyamaza, sisi hatutanyamaza, na tunawaambia kwamba hii age yenu HIV is real and HIV inaongezeka kwa watoto wetu, the teenagers, and we are not going to keep quiet about it. So you have to protect yourself. Number one, abstain. Number one, to do what? Abstain. Sema abstain. Abstain. Kwa sababu Biblia pia inasema everything has got its own time. There is a time to go to school, and there is a time to be married, there is a time to be a mother, but saizi our time is to go to. Hawa vijana wetu wanadanganya wasichana, wanawapatia mimba sasa zenye bado wako shuleni. Na sasa zenye umeshazaa, kama wewe bado ni mtoto wa shule, unakuwa na mzigo mzito. Uko na shule, uko na mtoto wa kulea. Sasa na watoto wetu pia statistics inatoa kwamba they have stunted growth. So tumeamua pia wao tukue na wao, so that these our teenage mothers waweze kupata fortified porridge, wapatie watoto ili watoto wakuwe na afya.
CHS is doing DREAMS programs in 6 sub-counties in Siaya. That is the whole of Siaya County. So today we are commemorating the Day of the African Child. Our main aim for today is to create awareness on HIV prevention and services. We are also creating awareness on gender-based violence to our girls and maybe their male sexual partners, and we are also creating awareness on early teenage pregnancies, because in Siaya we are hit with the high numbers of teenage pregnancies. As at today, we are hitting 35% of the teenage pregnancy, and most of the girls that are affected are 10 to 24 years. So that is our age target as DREAMS program. So today we want to appreciate Dorothy, Honorable Dorothy, for creating this day for us. Most of the sub-counties are done their African Child of the Day event, but for us it was a promise, and we want to appreciate that she kept the promise, and we are so grateful. For today we are offering PrEP services. Our girls are being taken through PrEP education. If they are eligible, they are being provided with PrEP services. And then we have HTS screening and testing services. We are also conducting gender-based violence and services screening. If we find any positive, we'll refer. And then we are also doing TB screening. We also refer after the screening. So today is a very special day for us, because we believe we are going to change the lives of many girls in Bondo sub-county.
Today we are here with Mheshimiwa Honorable Dorothy Madwa Wachonuni, Honorable Dorothy Oinga, Madwa Wachonuni. She's doing more than just politics. This is more than politics. Ever since I was born and bred in this political regime, I have never seen a politician come out so strongly to even call children for a talk during their education break. It is something that we will want all the Waheshimiwas to be as honorable as Dorothy, so that our children should not face the tough and painful experiences that we've had in the past. In the last month, we buried a 14-year-old girl that was raped by a teacher, and we want to thank the arms of the law for holding him. As an organization, we are here with a nutritious flour, baby flour, that as an organization that deal in smart agriculture, came up with a formula that was approved by Kirdi and that Mheshimiwa wants to give the malnourished and those young mothers with children that do not even know how to handle them at malnutrition stage. In Siaya, we are devastated, and we are so worried with the fact that the teenage pregnancy is hitting 35%. That is a big number that we don't know what to do. We are putting men of Siaya County on notice that whoever will be found being a monster of gender-based violence to our children, you will face the law. And we want to emphasize that SWIN should be a voice more so here in Siaya County, specifically in Bondo, that this is the main reason, the pain that even Mheshimiwa felt to come out strongly to even talk to our children during this break. I want to thank you so much, Mheshimiwa, and we are asking all other Mheshimiwas. I know she's always backed up by Honorable Cynthia Ndar.